Hey guys, we had a freaking disastrous hailstorm. Like the worst hail I've ever seen in my life, and I am almost 50. So that's saying something. A big old piece of hail, half a golf ball size, but a lot of it's melted. Hard as a rock. And look at that. Just hard as a freaking rock. Lasted about 8 minutes, which for a hailstorm is insane. Weirdest thing about it was you can see some of the bigger pieces. Weirdest thing about it is that we haven't had this is the end of August, guys, and this stuff is hanging around. It's been a good half hour now since the storm ended, and it's still around. I mean, it's just like freaking crazy. It's like just giant freaking hail pieces. And there's another big one. It hasn't rained for 3 months. I mean, look at that crap. Look at the size of that piece of hail. This crap's insane. This crap came smashing down. Scared to death that it was gonna ruin my roof. I haven't been up there yet to see what it looks like. But it is all over the frickin' place. There's another couple big giant pieces there. Serious, my son was gonna have to walk home from school because of our car situation, and I was probably helping with my shaky freaking hands, but this is insane. The worst hailstorm I've ever seen. So I thought I had better document it. And I mean, as you can tell, like here, down here, sidewalk, it beat the hell out of my trees. Now I just hope that the boy's okay. It came up right over there, over the house, and it was a nasty looking cloud. Alright guys, so where my channel is about what it is, freaking hail was what it was today. Insane. Talk to you later.